So in this video, we're just going to take a look at how you might track all of this stuff that you used your UTM tagging for. So I'm just going to create a blank report in here. And this time, instead of using the sample data, because it's very restricted in the sample data, I'm actually going to use Google Analytics, and I'm going to use the demo account and the Google Merchant Shop and click on Add, because it's more extensive. And then Add to Report. Okay, so I'm just going to move this down a bit, and I'll make it the full width of the page. So what do we want on this table? Well, we don't want event name. So in there, I'm going to choose session source medium. So session source medium. Okay, I don't like these numbers on the side here, so I'm going to click on style and don't include row numbers. That's fine. Go back to setup again. So we've got our session source medium here. I might extend it down a little bit more. And so you can see there are some emails here and some referrals here. And we're thinking, right, on CPC, it'd be quite nice to see them all separately. So first of all, let's add a few extra metrics to this. So let's, for example, add sessions. Okay, where's sessions? And you can see here, when you're using the actual data, there's a lot more options in here than the sample data. So we've got sessions, we've got views, we might add users, total users will be fine, and we might add revenue, and we'll go with total revenue. Okay, so that's the information that we want for this particular chart, but we want to be able to look at them separately. So the first thing we'll do is we'll click on Add Control, and we are going to go with Advanced Filter. Okay, and then we'll click and let go, and we can probably stretch this out a little bit more. And it automatically picks up session source medium over here, and we're going to say session source medium contains, and then whatever we type in over here. Okay, and we can also choose contains. That's the default. The search type is contains. So let's have a look at how that works. So let's click on View. Okay, and over here, so we just want to look at the email one. So up here we can type in email and press enter, and now we're looking just at the email. But if, for example, we wanted to look at referral and spell it correctly, now we're just looking at all of the referral ones. So it's just quite a handy way of checking your data.